Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you, the TOPDON RTIAG 500. Buckle up as we dive into this cutting-edge diagnostic tool that's making waves in the automotive world. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Now, let's get started. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. The TOPDON RTIAG 500 is more than just your average diagnostic tool. It's a powerhouse of features packed into a sleek and user-friendly design. Let's take a closer look. First impressions matter, and TOPDON understands that. The RTIAG 500 boasts a robust and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and easy to navigate. The 5-inch touchscreen display is crystal clear, ensuring that you can quickly access the information you need. The device is built with durability in mind, featuring a rugged casing that can withstand the demands of the workshop environment. Plus, it's lightweight, making it a convenient tool for both professionals and DIYers. Now, let's talk about what sets the RTIAG 500 apart from the rest. Its impressive features. From full system diagnostics to advanced service functions, this tool has it all. All systems diagnostics say goodbye to scanners limited to just the engine. The RTIAG 500 goes deep, scanning and diagnosing issues in your engine, ABS, seniors, transmission, and more. No system is left behind. AutoVIN technology. Forget manually entering your car's information. The RTIAG 500 uses AutoVIN to automatically identify your vehicle's make, model, and year, making diagnostics a breeze. Read and clear DTCs. No more confusion about those cryptic engine codes. The RTIAG 500 reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes, giving you clear explanations of what's wrong with your car. Live data stream. See what's happening under the hood in real time. The live data stream displays vital sensor readings, allowing you to pinpoint the source of the problem. Reset functions. Take routine maintenance into your own hands. The RTIAG 500 performs oil light reset, steering angle sensor calibration, and throttle body alignment, saving you time and money. Easy to use, the user-friendly interface and Android 7.0 system make the RTIAG 500 intuitive even for beginners. No tech expertise required. Free Wi-Fi updates. Stay up to date with the latest vehicle software and features. The RTIAG 500 offers free Wi-Fi updates, ensuring you always have the most powerful tool at your fingertips. Battery tester. Check the health of your car's battery. Multilingual support. The RTIAG 500 supports multiple languages, so you can choose the one you're most comfortable with. Wireless connectivity. What's even more impressive is the wireless connectivity options. The RTIAG 500 allows you to connect to your vehicle without the hassle of cables, providing freedom and flexibility in your diagnostic endeavors. Here are some pros and cons about TOPDON RTIAG 500. Pros. Large, easy-to-read touchscreen display. Wi-Fi updates. Reads and clears DTCs from all major systems. Live data streaming. Freeze frame data. Oil light reset. Battery tester. Multilingual support. Affordable. Cons. Some users report that the software can be buggy. The cable is a bit short. And there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of the TOPDON RTIAG 500. If you're looking for a diagnostic tool that combines functionality, innovation, and user-friendliness, this might just be the one for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Stay revved up and drive safe.